Stop touching things.
Hey guys, how are you? I have a very special guest with me today. Yes, this is the child, aka Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda has shown up for us to use the new ColourPop and Mandalorian collaboration with the child. I'd like hone in on all of my Baby Yoda vibes, all the good vibes. Like, here's Baby Yoda. Whoosh. He's sending me the good vibes. If you know the meme, you know the meme. I live by that meme. I think we're just gonna hop straight on into it. ColourPop came out with this palette like as a total surprise. I was not expecting this. And when they announced it, I was like, yeah? Anybody who's watched me knows I am a fan of the child. Baby Yoda is my buddy. Like, this is my dude. Like, I just wish you were real. Why can't you be real? 2020 had to gift you into my life and make you not real. Big thing. Anyways, ColourPop came out with this palette, totally shocked me, and of course I had to hop on and get this one. Super cute green eyeshadow palette. I recently did do a green eyeshadow look on my channel, but like, I mean, come on. We gotta do Baby Yoda, and don't mind my eyebrows. Oh my gosh. I still have the marks on my face. You know, I'm winning in life. Hashtag winner. Yeah, I don't want to get like too into anything. I know I can talk a lot. I just want to jump on in and use the cutest little dude in the galaxy, as it says on the mirror, cutest in the galaxy. Mine did, it's worth mentioning, this golden shade here did come like almost falling out completely. When I opened it, I tried to like press it down and in while it still had the clear protector on it so that I can like feel a little safe with this. I don't know. I was a little disappointed with that. That's never happened with any of my other ColourPop palettes before, so I was sad, especially because my whole point in having this is eventually I want to stick it back there and put it in my case because I love Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda is my jam, you guys. I love Baby Yoda. All right, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Oh yeah, and I'm wearing my shirt here, my Baby Yoda shirt, here for the snacky snacks. Yeah, Baby Yoda with his churro. And then of course I'm wearing my Baby Yoda ears because why not? Let's have some fun. I'm gonna use it more as like a headband. So thanks, Yoda. You always help me out when I need you the most, buddy. Thank you. So I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes using my P. Louise Acid Rain Blank Canvas makeup primer. We all know, nobody's shocked by this. Another thing I wanna mention about this palette is it does, unlike most ColourPop palettes, it does have a mirror in it, which is super nice. We're gonna look at Baby Yoda the whole time. Oh, he's so cute. Where are my other Star Wars fans out there? When this was announced, I had to. Of course, I'm gonna take my shadow shields here because we're playing with greens here. Like, I wanna be protected. Does anybody else out there also play Disney Magic Kingdoms on their phone? Like, it's one of my weaknesses. I just love this game because I mean, you always just have that game on your phone that you love. And this is it for me. And right now, Baby Yoda and the Mandalorian is an event in the game, and I'm trying to get Baby Yoda in my game because I need Baby Yoda in my game. Just so I can look at him some more, you know. Guys, I'm obsessed. I don't know what else to say. It's only like 3 o'clock right now, guys, and it feels like midnight. Like, this is what I hate about the time change. Hate when it gets dark so early. Like, I love gaining an hour, but Man, oh man, I said I was not gonna talk away, and here I am. Just because I'm playing my game. Guys, I gotta get Baby Yoda in my game. Gotta get all the achievements. We're gonna go in with the neutral, like, tan color in the palette called Just Like a Tatooine. Can't remember how they say that word in this show. But I'm gonna take that here on my JH30 brush, and I'm just gonna start working and blending that into my transition area. Guys, can we talk depression here? I legit am so sad that Disneyland is not open. I know I'm not the only one. Gosh darn it, it's hard. Like, we always go in February to Disneyland, and I don't even think it's gonna be open. I can't even wear this to go see Baby Yoda. Also, like, Disney, like, they're gonna come out with a Baby Yoda experience. Like, they have to. They have to. It wasn't there. If you've been watching me, you know last year, I think my video went up in March about my, like, ride experience on how to get on the new Rise of the Resistance ride at Star Wars Land in Disneyland. Yeah. And then everything shut down right after I put that up. Like, literally, like, I don't even know if my video was up a full week before, and then everything shut down. It's great times. Great times. I couldn't even tell you how to get on the rides now. I'm going to take my M513, and we're going to go in with the mint color here called Babyface. And I don't even kind of know what I'm doing. I'm just going to put this right onto the more sockety part of my crease area, if that makes sense. I'm going to take this old Sonia Kashuk 09 brush, and I'm going to go in with Float Your Crib. And I'm going to start taking this and stamping it onto the outer half. You can see, like, I'm pushing it in. I'm going to go back in with this fluffy brush and go along the edge of this, like the upper edge, and just keep working on building that up. I kind of want to have more of like a wing, like think Baby Yoda's ears here. Next, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to cut my crease using my Acid Rain Blank Canvas. It's storming outside right now. It's a beautiful thing. Can you hear the rain? It just started. My biggest tip with cut creases is just like learning where to put that line. You can see my crease is actually like right here, and I go above it because you want to be able to see it when your eye closes, or when your eye opens, not closes. You'll see when your eye is closed. You want it to see when your eye is open. So first, I'm gonna go in with this golden green shade called The Force, and I'm going to take that on my JH41 brush, and I'm going to take this one right onto the center. It's definitely taking some time to like build this up. I don't know if that's because of the shadow that I received, that it came like busted, or if it's just like so soft that it doesn't pack down like as much. Next, I'm going to take my JH42 and I'm going to go in with Right Hand Mando, and I'm going to take this right onto the inner third. Oh my goodness. That shade. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna blend more of that onto, like blend it more into the center. Oh, I love it. Now I'm gonna grab this M151 and I'm going to grab Sipping Soup. It's not soup, it's chalky milk. Okay, get it right, chalky milk. I'm gonna take this right on the edge of The Force. Now I'm gonna take this M515 brush. It's just a little itty bitty like blender brush. And I'm going to go back in with Float Your Crib. And I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna so slightly take it up and sharpen up that cut crease. And then just kind of like rock it back and forth to blend it up. I'm just taking a little bit of baby face and buffing right on top of that to blend it some more. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Precious Cargo here on that same JH42 brush. And I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone. And then now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Cat Flash Cat Eye. Flash Cat Eye. This is in the color brown. I'm gonna line my eyes with this. I want to do a pretty intense wing. All right, now that the wing is on, I'm gonna go in with my JH326 brush. And I'm gonna go in with Droid Protocol. And I'm going to lay that down right on top of that liner. To mattify it and set it in place, I think this will help it to match the tone perfectly as well. Now, moment of truth here. Truth. How are we looking? We're looking pretty good. We're definitely winged out, that's for sure. I do want to go in with this kabuki brush and some makeup cleaner and just kind of clean up around these edges. Go up in the center here. And around these areas. Another thing I want to do is I want to grab my Huda Beauty Stick Foundation. I'm going to take this Morphe E14 brush, kind of kabuki brushish, and I'm going to take it with like almost no product on it and then just push up into this. There we go. That helps so much. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna move on to face makeup really quickly. All I hear right now in my head is the Mandalorian theme. Dun, 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 dun. This is gonna help my current mood on the situation a lot. These are my Ardell Foam Inks 858s. It's amazing what eyelashes can do for your mood. Like, changes everything. Now let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm gonna go back into the palette. It's so cute. Taking this JH38 brush, I'm gonna take a mixture of Little Frog and a tiny bit of Float Your Crib, like just a tap. And I'm gonna start working that onto the lower lash line. I definitely think that this calls for more of like a neutral lip. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Muse lip liner. No, it's old, and I used it a couple times recently, but I'm in it. Next, I'm gonna take my Lawless lipstick in the shade Wedding Day. Now I'm gonna set my face using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I did finally buy the ColourPop Super What? I'm gonna take my Super Shock Cheek highlighter in the color Flexitarian. I've been wanting to buy this forever and I never do. Really? I just got screwed on my order, I think. Did you see that happen? Tell me you saw that happen. Oh my gosh, it's like I have all my brushes laid out and it's like it's draped laying on top of my brushes. Oh my good crap. ColourPop, why you play me like this? Why you do this to me? I don't do this to you. I love you. Ah, man. I mean, hello. Okay, let's attempt that. Now that I've had to patch it up, I'm gonna pop this on to, well, hi. Hello. Did you come to party or what? Okay, see it like in my mirror over there. Hello. How are you? Do you like my cheekbones? 'Cause they'll cut you. Don't get too close. Baby Yoda will use that force. Righty, tighty, mighty, bitey. Wasn't quite expecting that. Almost a little too much. And then, okay, last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the color here called Precious Cargo. It's the lightest shade in the palette. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it right onto my tear duct. Kind of blend it onto my lower lash line. I feel like with these colors I need a little bit of brightness right now. And then lower mascara, I'm gonna grab my MAC Extended Play Giga Black. Don't poke me with your ear, that was rude. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Okay, you guys, so that is it using my ColourPop Star Wars Mandalorian Baby Yoda the Child palette. I don't know, what do you think? Does it bring you the Baby Yoda vibes? Like, Baby Yoda vibes? Do it, Baby Yoda. Do the Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda vibe! Yes! I mean, I very much feel Baby Yoda right now. Yeah, that's right, dude. I know, you can't stop looking at me because you're like, what? Is that another Baby Yoda on your eyes? Mm-hmm. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this look using the Star Wars Mandalorian The Child Baby Yoda eyeshadow palette that they surprised us all with. I hope you guys were able to get your hands on it if you wanted to. I haven't looked. I don't know if it's still available or not. I'll leave a link to it down below if it is. But yeah, I think it's a really fun and pretty look. If you love greens, I think you definitely like it. For me, it's definitely more of like a collector's type piece. I've got like my Star Wars Pat McGrath palettes down there, and Baby Yoda's gonna go right in the center, right in the middle, because Baby Yoda, that's where Baby Yoda goes, in my cabinet back here. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a big ol' thumbs up. 3 fingers up, yes. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I'd love to talk to you guys. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell right there. Right there, right there, right there. If you want to join the Allie Ann clan, the AAC. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
But like seriously, whenever Baby Yoda walks across the screen, it's like, oh, he's moving. I need to watch him. Okay, bye.